Hello, my name is Theo and today we're exploring 5 standout animation from Apple iOS design. Let's see how Apple uses subtle and thoughtful animation to make interaction in their iOS more thoughtful and effortless for user. Let's dive into. So this is our first example of Apple animation. It's the share icon, right? So I found that inside of Apple Music, this animation. Let's see. Yeah, so it looks like that. Onboarding in Apple Music. So, this animation naturally guides users, showing them how to use the feature without any extra text, right? Its smooth movement makes the app intuitive even for new users, while adding a touch of satisfaction that creates an emotional connection. So for designers, they can achieve this effect with Lottie and animating in After Effects and exporting through Bodymovin, and you can bring Apple level smoothness to your application. Let's go to the next. Imagine you are just staring at a screen, waiting for something to load. It's boring, right? So now, instead of just sitting there, Apple got this new photo section animation. Let's see. So it keeps you engaged, right? So you are not just watching a loading screen, you are watching something alive. It's not about adding info or more text, it's about making waiting feel more natural, right? And even enjoyable, so and overall improve overall user experience. So designers can pull this off with Lottie, the same like last animation. Animate in After Effects, export with Bodymovin, just smooth animation that turns that weight into something that feels like Apple, clean and alive, polished. So you can make some experience in your application for your clients. Picture this: you need to turn on the flashlight instead of just boring on-off switch. Apple got this torch animation in new iOS. I think you've seen, but looks like that. So it feels like you are actually lighting something up. It's subtle, but it's like adding to a basic action, turning it into a little movement of satisfaction, right? So what do you think about this animation? It looks incredible. Like iPhone is actually talking to me, Look at this slider animation. Notice how the speed changes. It doesn't just, move at a steady pace. It starts quick, then slows down as it gets to the end of the animation point. This variable speed isn't just for look. It gives the interaction a natural, almost lifelike feel. It's important for animations, and it's one of the rules of animation. Next up, we have the beige animation in a fitness app in iOS. I think we've seen everyone these animations. So this is not just a flat reward. It's an interactive 3D beige that makes this achievement feel more real and exciting. It's like holding a trophy in your hands right there in the application, in fitness application. So you can achieve this effect with 3D tools like Cinema 4D and export to your application, or make through spline. Add some subtle like rotation, shine, etc. That's all what I have. So again, Apple makes all the interfaces, interactions like you are having conversation with this application, right? So all the interactions smooth, and I think all the applications should work like that, and we should take this example and inspiration from Apple. What do you think? Subscribe, make your comments about these animations, about this video, right? So yeah, and like. Thank you.